My name is Jesús Miguel Santamaría. I am the interim CEO, Chief Executive Officer of LifeWatch ENVRI, and my role is to control the main strategic lines of this infrastructure.
I am the director of the LifeWatch Service Center, which is one of the three common facilities that are representing the core component of the infrastructure. The service center is based in Italy, in Lecce, and is hosted by the University of Salento.
The most important activity of LifeWatch is to study the biodiversity and ecosystem research, but in general, we are trying to halt the loss of biodiversity that the Earth is experiencing in the last years.
LifeWatch Service Center is the interface between the research infrastructure and the community of user and provider. It's the unique entrance for all users and stakeholders to the resources in terms of data, services, tool, and virtual research environment that utilizer as a research group or administration or institution can use in order to develop their own research project, their own activity, their own consultancy research.
Especially scientists can take advantage of this infrastructure by taking benefit of the big amount of data about biodiversity that we will generate in the next years, and also using big computing systems and very complex models to study the complex interactions between species and the environment.
LifeWatch has a unique niche in the landscape of environmental research infrastructure, being the e-science research infrastructure dealing with biodiversity ecosystem. So the rule of LifeWatch is like the rule of physical mesocosm that are made by components of ecosystem that are used by scientists to make their own research. LifeWatch, instead of having mesocosm, physical mesocosm, has virtual research environment where species, environmental conditions are represented by data, and so capitalizing the data that are produced by other research infrastructure, by previous project and initiative, and allow scientists to develop research with an amount of data that is unprecedented available for the research.